I love Cebu. I love Cebu.
Yun mga master na sobrang nakaka-excite today. Swerte ta mga bisdak nga gitagaan jud tag office dire. Wa jud galang-alang kumbaga ang mga tagiya. Chairman Willie Titen and Madam Owi nga gitagaan jud tag kanang higayon nga gipanindot ang office ang atong architect thank you. Of course si Madam Kat. So sobrang grateful kita mga Cebuano nga gitagaan jud tag nga office. Pang world class ang design and masabi ko lang Infinite Cebu to the world!
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka, lindughan ko. I love Cebu.
Welcome to the opening of Infinite Tours!
Ang island nga ikaw ay pasigarbo ko. I love Cebu.
Welcome to the Infinite Doors of Infinite Cebu.
So, sa tulong ng Infinite, sama-sama po tayo, tulong-tulong po tayo, na palakihin po, palaguin ang Team Infinite Cebu.
We have the best ingredients. Actually, the architect lang from the people behind the company, the products.
So ngayon po, hindi lang po leksyon ang dadayuhin sa Cebu, pati po Infinite na.
This is a testament of their trust, their love, and their commitment to Cebu. And not just for Cebu, but for all the Cebuanos here.
We don't have to start big. We just have to start. This is the venue where you will discover your power. And of course, where beauty meets empowerment.
Breakthroughs after breakthroughs ang mangyayari dito sa Cebu!
Congratulations sa atong tanan. Naanadjud ta dire. This is it. Ako excited na ako na moataw. Hindi tayo dumaan ng area dealer. Hindi tayo dumaan ng stockies. Dumaan tayo diretso ng bronze.
Infinite to the world.
Cheers! Infinite to the world! Wow! May office sa Cebu! Infinite! Yes! Sa dagag mga gwapa, mamali pampagana sa negosyo na to. So kaya gwapa, skincare man ta. Okay?
Sa Infinite, ano tayo pa? Ano tayo sa Infinite?
Pamilya. Witness niyo kung gaano ka-special ang kumpanya natin.
We promise that we will be a different kind of multi-level marketing company. And the future is infinite. So thank you so much. And not only infinite in Cebu, but infinite to the world.
Yeah!
Our skincare here at Infinite is a game changer because it is carefully formulated. It is designed for Filipino weather. Kaya pinagmamalaki po talaga natin ang skincare products here at Infinite.
Layo naming headquarters dito is, if not at par, is better than what we have established in Metro Manila.
We want to be unique. We want to be different. If there's somebody better, we will strive to be even better than them.
Ang gusto pong mangyari namin dito, our goal, humility, empathy, compassion. Yung po yung edge namin sa ibang kumpanya.
Once in a lifetime po sa history ng multi-level marketing or direct
nagtayo ang mga negosyante na talaga. They made their names over the last 25-26 years.
What makes Infinite stand out over others? Ang sinasabi kasi nila, pag ganitong klaseng negosyo, magaling mag-sales talk. Diba? Pag ganun talaga. But what I can see in this business is, you don't hear sales talk here. Pag nagsalita yung mga may-ari, yung mga leader, hindi mo ramdam yung sales talk eh. Ramdam mo yung puso. And I think that really separates Infinite over the others.
If the Cebuanos can give us a chance to show them that beauty and empowerment plus business is possible. So thank you so much, and I hope the Cebuanos will be able to understand and to know us, that we have the heart to really grow our business.
We give you the best product. We train our people to make them work hard, work smart, so that everybody will be successful.
Because here in Infinite, there is no ceilings. Hindi ka lang ceilings. Ibig sabihin po, kahit ano po pwede natin gawin. Kahit ano po pwede natin i-achieve. Because it's limitless. There is no label. Ibig sabihin po, meron po tayong equality.
Yun yung pangako namin sa mga kasama natin sa Infinite, that we will not stop in giving you the best product.
Lahat po na pumapasok sa office namin, sa door, nire-remind po namin sila that growth doesn't have limits. It's infinite. Wala po siyang limits, so it's only infinite possibilities.
We're not here to compare with somebody. We just want to be the best.
Ramdam mo yung confidence and conviction, not because they're trying to win you, but it's really the embodiment of success in them. And nakikita ko yan sa founder, sa chairman, sa leaders, and that's the reason why I choose Infinite. And maybe that's also the reason why Cebuano should choose Infinite.
Congratulations, LPG, for all the hard work and the efforts that you've poured into this event. And I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you for the ELCOM group that you have formed here in Cebu as well. To your leaders, I really appreciate all of you. And sana mas lumaki pa yung Infinite here in Cebu under your leadership. And you know, you can always count on us. You can count on me. I'm always behind you. I'll always cheer for you, root for you. And I'm very, very grateful for all the things that you have done. I appreciate you, LPG. Whatever it takes, we will take this to the next level. I'm very happy. I'll support you. And congratulations, Infinite Cebu, Infinite to the world. To all the fans of LPG, I'm very, very proud of your leader, and I'm very, very grateful that he is there for you guys to mentor you and to do all the behind the scenes for that.
Fans ako ni LPG.
Oh yes, fans kami. Kami fans ni LPG. We're part of you guys, and sana tuloy-tuloy natin supportahan si LPG sa kanyang ginagawa. Because this one is not just for him, it's also for all of you. So sana tuloy natin palakihin yung Infinite, because our success is your success too. Thank you very much, and looking forward to meet all of you. Sana magkita-kita pa rin tayo. Congratulations Infinite Cebu, and congratulations to all of you fans ni LPG.
Infinite Cebu to the world! After tapos na, grateful sa event. Sobrang papasalamat kasi lahat ng mga tao nag-support, lahat na naramdaman ng mga Cebuano, na feel yun sa Cebuano, ang mga tagiya. So, sobrang proud and excited kami now to expand, to share the business, to share the product, not only here sa Cebu, but to the world. Thank you so much sa lahat na nanonood, Master. See you next time.